Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer footage from your GoPro Max 2 to your iPhone. So the first thing that you're going to do is that, assuming that you've already connected your GoPro Max 2 to your iPhone using the GoPro Quick app. So the app itself looks like this. Go into the App Store and we're going to go ahead and search Quick. Just make sure that you have this installed, the GoPro Quick app. And then once you're logged in, go ahead and turn on your GoPro and you're going to click on GoPro in the bottom right hand corner. And then you're going to see that it says this GoPro has new footage. Click on download, and that's actually going to go ahead and get your GoPro to join the Wi-Fi network. Do make sure that you're on the same Wi-Fi network as your GoPro or your phone is. Click on join. And then on this page here, give it a couple seconds. And as your GoPro starts to join the Wi-Fi, it should automatically go ahead and start downloading your footage onto your phone. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and transfer your footage from your GoPro Max 2 to your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.